Click on the link below to get price. The Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM 96GB, 2x48GB, 6400MHz CL32 is an exceptional memory kit that stands out in the crowded marketplace of high-performance RAM. This module is designed for gamers, content creators, and professionals who require not just speed but also reliability and aesthetic appeal. Installation is a breeze, thanks to the standard DIMM form factor. The heat spreaders are sleek and sturdy, with a brushed aluminum finish that gives it a premium look. The RGB lighting is one of the standout features of this RAM. Each module is equipped with customizable RGB lighting that can be synchronized with other iCUE-compatible components, allowing users to create a cohesive lighting theme across their builds. The software is intuitive and user-friendly, making it easy to adjust colors, effects, and even monitor performance metrics. Performance-wise, the 6400 MHz speed combined with CL32 latency delivers exceptional bandwidth, making it ideal for tasks that require rapid data processing. Whether you're gaming at high resolutions, rendering 3D models, or running virtual machines, this RAM handles it all effortlessly. Each module is optimized for Intel's XMP 3.0, which allows for easy overclocking with just one click in the BIOS. This means users can easily push performance boundaries without delving deep into manual settings. With 96 GB of capacity, this kit is perfect for multitasking and professional workloads. You can run multiple applications seamlessly without experiencing slowdowns, making it an excellent choice for video editing, heavy gaming, and software development. However, it's important to consider that while the price point is on the higher side, the performance and features offered justify the investment for enthusiasts. Overall, the Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 RAM 96GB 6400 MHz is a powerful memory solution that combines speed, capacity, and stunning aesthetics, making it a worthwhile addition to any high-end PC build.